Who's ready to make a card? Today I'm here to show you how I just made the card that I posted using these gorgeous papers from 7 Kids Craft called Happy Place. It's full of nice soft pastel colors, and she has a variety of sets in the store, so be sure to check it out. Now I'm taking this sort of flower looking paper, and I'm taking my knife and kind of going around the edges to give it a tattered sort of look. Next, I took a paintbrush and sort of curled the corner with it, but then I ended up tearing it and also curling it, and then I put a piece of pink paper underneath this top layer paper here just to kind of give it a sort of different look. Now I'm going to die cut a white oval, and I'm also going to die cut a pink gingham oval, which is from the set, and I'm going to mat these against each other. And I'm going to glue them together. And what I like to do is I like to take my brayer across the paper because I just feel like it really smooths out all the glue everywhere and just makes sure it sticks nice and well. Now let's make some easy Foamiran or foam flowers. What you're going to do is you're going to punch out whatever flower shape it is you want. I use these sort of 5-petal flowers, and I'm taking some ink in a bunch of different colors of pinks, and I'm just sort of brushing the ink on the edges of the flower because I'm not trying to color the whole flower. I just want to add a touch of color to the flowers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stack the flowers up because I like to add maybe like a 1/4 of an inch cut between each petal. This just kind of helps to mold the flowers better. At least that's what I think. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking an iron and we're going to be applying heat. And what happens when you apply heat to this foam, it sort of makes it curl by itself. And you can kind of see that in the video here, how it curls. Now you're just going to take this and fold it and kind of pinch or smush the edges because that's the only part I'm really trying to mold. Going to be doing the same thing for each layer of flowers that you have. Just take them, apply the heat. Let's add some stamens to the flower centers and piece our flowers together by staggering each of the layers and sort of fluffing it up, and then you get a nice completed looking flower just like this. Now I'm going to fast forward through the rest of the video. I'm just going to be adding the chipboard pieces and kind of arranging the flowers on my card so I can complete it. And I'll play some music to keep you entertained. Going to add a sentiment to this. It's a chipboard piece, and I'm just going to color it with the ink that I have so that it sort of matches the card and adhere it to the card, and we're done. And here is the completed card.